masango, vulana masango, vulana masango, vulana masango.
Ngithokoza kakhulu bengithokoza namalunga womkhonto wesizwe njengoba wazi namhlanje ukuthi umongameli uNcamalala Msholozi ula namhlanje kwaNdebele eMpumalanga ukuzoqala ukuthi ngabe amahlelo ajame kuhle na njengoba wazi ukuthi kunama election azako njengoba sikhuluma nje namhlanje ke njengoba ezela ke sithe akeze azoqala lapha eNgwenyameni uzakhumbula ukuthi isilo uKing Makhosoke Mabhena His Excellency wabhubha wakhothama inyanga epheleleko mangikhumbula kuhle lokho ke bekazokuchiriya la namhlanje bengekho into enkulu kangako mhlambe ngoba wathindeka kakhulu ukuthi uwazi umkhonto wesizwe ukholelwa emakhokosini njeke namhlanje ke befanele ukuthi siye ngemthambothini njengoba uyazi ukuthi ingoma icede ukubuya izinto bezingakahleleki kuhle ukuthi singayokubona ingwenyama mara ke siyathokoza kakhulu ukuthi sila namhlanje umongameli ufikile kwaNdebele ngalokho siyathaba nathi ukuthi upresident uyikhumbulile indawo le ekhaya kwaNdebele nabantu nesithaba sithi kuye siphulele siphilele Ncamalala siphilele Ncamalala viva umkhonto wesizwe viva
Sila Ward 12 Tweefontein Thembisile Hani upresident uzile bekazokubona ukuthi how ready we are as Thembisile Hani Nkangala region Mpumalanga for ama registration sithome enkosini kwaMakhosoke la ubabethu owalalako ukuthi upresident ayokuthi si umkhonto wesizwe silila nabo and then on top of that wachiya nekomo ikomo lebekayitshiyela ukuthi sithi isandla phezulu kwesinye enkosini ngoba kwenzeka ukuthi ilunga lethu elinye ele-legislature lakhuluma kumbi manje ngenkosi eleleko then wenzelela ke ukuthi sizokuthi siyaxolisa namhlanje ke siyathokoza ukuthi upresident bekala siyathokoza
ngiyabona ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe kwenza abantu bangalahli cacile lonto ngoba sibe sashone ngapha asiboni umuntu sibona ababili bathathu nje ubone nabo ukuthi hayi sengathi bangasala sebehamba nathi.
My name is Prince Ocibane, the MK Youth League president, also Mpumalanga Project organizer. Namhlanje sila eNkangala region size eThembisile Hani sub region Ward 12. Upresident ufikile la nekade evakashela ubukhosi asamcela akavele la Ward 12 kule sub region le enye yamawadi le eyaveza intshisekelo ukuthi izimisela ukuthi umkhonto le ward uwine in terms of public participation in nomination council. So namhlanje basila senze visibility and also voter registration program kumhla ka1 and last voter registration program ekhona in the country. So ubefika upresident ke nalo ufike la uzoshiya izipho eswememezela nizibone kakhulukazi gazebo ama t-shirts and namabhodi. But kwethu we had to tell people ukuthi they must register to vote, must check ukuthi bavela yini la IEC ukuze bakwazi ukuthi ngomhla ka4 November bakwazi ukuwina lo mkhandlo osethembisile Hani ube lo mkhonto wesizwe party ukwazi ukusiza bona bakwazi ukuthola ama basic needs bakwazi ukuthola imigwaqo potholes amanzi ugesi i-refuge bakwazi ukuqala udoti kube clean kule city yabo abahlala kuyona. That's what we are here for today, to tell them ukuthi MK Party is here and MK Party is your last hope. And we are also urging young people here ukuthi ibona bayi-majority and ibona badela kakhulu ne-social media, ibona ba-understanda kakhulu into ama-voter registration online. So we've consulted them sakhuluma nabo ukuthi abasize abantu abadala barejiste bakwazi ukuthi ngomhla ka-4 November bavote, sikwazi ukuthi siwine lo mkhandlu walapha, siwine eMpumalanga at large, siwinela all municipalities at large, sikwazi sibe nemikhandlu eminingi ikwazi ukusiza impilo zabantu. Kwale silinde u-2029 esiwazi nami sesiwinile sishintshe imithetho ezokwazi ukuthi size abantu bakithi, ngoba i-problem esinayo ilapha ku-national kahle hle ukuthi imithetho eshaba as a national parliament, and that's why we are being suppressed as the African people at large.
Comrade, ngitsho Mkhondo. Mina into engiyithanda umkhondo ngiyabona ukuthi umkhondo uzophumelela and ukhona umkhondo uzosenzela into eziphambili. Uyakuzwa? Yeah, khona manje asinamanzi la, sinamagezi, sithoda amagezi, sithoda inamanzi, inkontiri zibonile konke. Yes. Manje ngibakwa ukuthi umphakathi azivoteleni umkhondo uzosiphumelelisa. Siyaphambili, asiyemuva. Amandla. Yeah. Ngicela ukuthi wonke umuntu ozizwa akangene kuKhondo, i-ANC sibusele emuva, ayisisi phambili. Yasiwisa. Sesiwile nge-ANC, sikhathele nge-ANC. Phansi nge-ANC, phansi nge-ANC, phansi. Yeah. Thokoze.